Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is going to be a full in detail review of a skincare brand that I've been using for the past month or so, and I'm gonna tell you guys all the tea, okay? But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Rate this video, let me know if you like this type of videos or not, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time your girl posts on a video. Okay, so the skincare that I will be reviewing today, I'm doing a final review. This is not going to be like a first impression or anything like that, because as I said, I've been using these products for about a month, just because I wanted to give you guys an honest and realistic opinion about how these products really work or don't work. So I did feature, or like I know I mentioned the products in one of my recent skincare videos where I was trying out some new sunscreen and whatnot. I will link the video in the cards up here somewhere where I know that I mentioned it. But the skincare that I will be reviewing today is the Your Skincare line. So this is the package that it comes in. This is the package that they sent me. So it is a personalized skincare, which is the first and main thing that I love about it. Basically what you do is that you go on their website and then you take a little quiz. The skincare quiz is super informative. It tells you everything you need to know about the skincare, everything you need to know about how they're going to formulate their skin. How they're going to formulate the skincare to best fit your skin concerns. So we're not talking about just, oh, is your skin dry or is your skin oily, do you have acne or no acne. Like, it's not even like that. Like, we go deeper than that, okay? Like, your skin, they really go deep in there. We're talking about environment and shit. So I was like, okay, cool, let's run with it, you know? So that's basically the first thing that you do. So you go on their website, you take the skincare quiz, and then they will tell you basically the products that you need and how they're going to formulate that to cater your skin the best. So I will be showing you guys a little clip of me doing my skincare, and this specific skincare, like this specific clip, I was doing my skincare for the day. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me. So I got some custom skincare maybe like 4 weeks ago. I'm pretty sure I've been using it for like a month now. So I'm going to give you guys like a final review. I did feature it in one of my videos. I'll link it up here somewhere because I don't remember which one, but it is from Your Skin and it's been doing wonders to my skin. I'm just going to do my skincare routine now, and then I guess I'll talk about the things that I like and don't like about the products. And yeah, so the first thing is my cleanser. So they're all numbered. This is the number 1. You guys can see a little goes a long way. It is daytime, so the next step for me would be my day cream, but I always like to put a serum. Well, I like to tone and also put serum underneath my foundation. My moisturizer. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take another serum from another brand that's been working amazing for me lately, and I'm just going to put that on my face before I put my moisturizer. I added this serum to the skincare probably like a week ago, I want to say, and I love how it performs on my skin in combination with my custom moisturizer. So now that I have my serum on, the next step is going to be my day cream. So this has the number 2 in it, as you guys can see, and this moisturizer has SPF as well, so I like that. It has a little bit of white cast. So that's it for the daytime routine. So basically now I'll just go ahead and put on my makeup. But for the nighttime, I've been using this serum that is the number 3. And this is the night cream, which is step number 4. So now I'm just going to dive into the product itself and how I feel about them. So the cleanser, which is the number 1, this is supposed to be used during the daytime and during the nighttime. So it cleans my skin, it leaves my skin super fresh and, you know, cleansed. Now I wouldn't recommend this cleanser to remove makeup. So because it is part of the daytime and also the nighttime routine, if I'm wearing makeup like right now and then I'm gonna take my makeup off at night, I definitely have to go in with another cleanser first, another cleanser to melt down my makeup, because I don't feel like this really removes my makeup properly. But then again, this is not really designed to be a makeup remover cleanser, so I'm not mad at that at all. I always double cleanse, so that's not really a problem to me. I go in with another cleanser first to melt my makeup, and then I go in with this cleanser. It does what it needs to freaking do. So the day cream is the number 2. How do I feel about the day cream? I am annoyed at the fact that it leaves a white cast on my face, but because it absorbs so quickly into my skin, it like bothers me for like 2.5 seconds and then I'm over it, because I know it's just gonna soak into the skin anyways. It doesn't really have a scent, it just smells clean. It doesn't really smell like much, which I like. So for the night routine, you would go ahead and, as I said, cleanse your face with the number 1, the cleanser. And then as your face is still damp, I did not record this part, so I'm just gonna tell you guys basically how I do it. So the second step of the night routine would be the serum. The serum is labeled as a number 3, and it is a small little bottle. A little goes a long way. Now, do I have any issues with this? Yes. First of all, it feels amazing on the skin. All of these products make my skin feel super nice and hydrated, but there's a but. I'm just gonna smell it just to make sure I'm not tripping. It smells, I feel like there's something about the scent on the serum and the night cream that I just don't like. Because the first time I used it, I was like, this smells like food. Like, I don't want this on my face. And you know, if you're sleeping with your mans or whatever, like, I'm not trying to have my face smell like fucking pork. Like, no. But as I kept using the product, I'm like, okay, it's not something I would personally, you know, jump to like put on my face because of the smell. Like, the smell throws me off. But the texture is nice though. It leaves my skin super smooth. Don't get me wrong. Like, the texture is really, really nice. But it's just the smell. But as I went on using it, like throughout the weeks that I've been using it, it smells more like medicine and less like food, but like a good combination. So I'm just overall not a fan of the smell at all. I don't know if that's just because of my skin concerns. I don't know if you are struggling with, let's say, dry skin or eczema or acne, whatever, and you get a different product. I don't know if this is like the main smell of their different serums. So I'm not a fan of the smell, but I'm a super fan of the texture and how it leaves my skin. It leaves my skin super smooth and like soft and like shiny and hydrated. So I like that. So the next and final step for the night routine is the night cream, and this is the number 4. This is labeled as a number 4. It looks like this. It's like a cute little bottle. That's another thing I forgot to mention. I really like the fact that all these products are travel friendly. Like, they're travel size, so you can really just take them with you. Like, that's not an issue. So I'm gonna smell this again. Like, I just wanna, mind you, I've been using this every day consistently for 4 weeks now, but I still want to smell it on camera just to make sure that I bitch is not tripping about the smell. I'm telling you, like, I've been using this, but I feel like every day it smells different. I don't know. Or maybe it's not that it smells different, but maybe it's just some days I feel like it smells stronger than other days. So I'm like a little bit more thrown off certain days. Like, for example, now, last night it was smelling like medicine. Okay? But when I smell it now, it doesn't smell like anything. And I've had like a few nights where it's like, okay, today it doesn't smell, but then the next night it smells, you know? But other than that, I really love how it leaves my skin super hydrated, and the glow when I wake up. The glow on my skin when I wake up the next day after doing my night routine, baby girl, is beyond it's just beyond me. Like, it's out of this world. Okay. Child, listen. I would definitely recommend you guys to try it out. I will leave all the links in the description box down below in case you guys are interested. But I would definitely recommend, just because you don't have to guess about your skincare anymore. Like, they'll just do it for you. You just take a quiz and they'll just make it for you. And you'll probably be 98% sure that it's going to work for your skin, because it's going to work for your concerns. If you have different skin concerns, then I will probably just focus on the main one, the one that bothers you the most. Just like me, like I had hyperpigmentation and acne. My acne is really controllable. Like, I can control my acne. I just need to watch my mouth and what the fuck I eat. I just need to watch my mouth and what I eat, really, and just drink a lots of water, which I already do. But whenever I'm about to break out, like, you know, that time of the month, I'll just drink excessive amounts of water, and it normally helps me control like my outbreaks and stuff like that. So we're gonna see where I'm at 2 months from now. It's already been a month and I see a huge difference. I'm not gonna lie though, it took me like a good 2.5 weeks for me to actually see the difference. So just be patient, be consistent, and don't skip a day. So yeah, let's see 3 months from now. I'll probably update you guys. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any other specialized, personalized skincare and what you think about it. So this is the end of this skincare review. Shout out to Your Skin for sponsoring today's video, wanting to work with me, and thank you so much for helping me to, you know, recover my skin and helping me get rid of all these dark spots. I am really, like, I have high hopes for this skincare to help me. Like, 2 months from now, I have high hopes that my skin is gonna be top notch, you know. So I just gotta be patient and be consistent. That's it. That's all. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick review, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to rate this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time your girl posts a new video. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.